Okay, I'm going to start with some bark that I found. This is off of a birch tree. And basically what you do is you scrape the inside and you scrape the outside. The bark is full of resin. And this is one of the few things out in the wild that you can actually get to take a spark from a ferro rod. I picked this one up. This is actually made by Zippo, and it was $10, and it works real good. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Now I'm going to be cooking my breakfast here in just a minute, and I wanted to do everything. I wanted to light my rocket stove just with my ferro rod, no matches. Yeah, we might as well cover this too. This is a bunch of pitch that I collected off of a ponderosa pine. We've got ponderosa pines all over the place here. I'm in the Dells, Oregon. And I think pitch only comes from pine trees, but I could be wrong. And this stuff here is really good too. Now this is a crunchy stuff. It's dried really well. So I'll go ahead and use some of that too. This will make the fire burn for even longer, okay? Okay, let's see how many times it's going to take me to get this going. There we go. What was that, about 5 or 6 times? Here's some birch bark right here. And here, let me, I'll put another piece of pitch on this. And once this pitch starts going, it'll last for a long, long time. Yeah, look at that. See, then all I have to do is just take this whole board over to my rocket stove and light the fire. Okay, there we go. The finer the sticks, the better. That's what I found. Little sticks like this do really good. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go, you guys. We're gonna have breakfast in no time. And what I do now is I just keep feeding the fire through this tube right here. Like I say, you need this real small sticks just to get going. And anyway, we got a good fire here going. I decided to do something a little different this year. Is For every breakfast, I'm going to cook it outside on my rocket stove. We'll see how that goes. Now normally the nice thing about a rocket stove is you really don't need firewood. You can just use pine cones or sticks that you find laying on the ground. That's the whole idea of it. For this though, I am using some pellet wood that I smashed up, because everything you find on the ground this time of year is pretty wet. Okay, so anyway, we're going to be having a bacon and eggs this morning. Okay, the whole key to this cooking thing is your fuel needs to be small so it burns quickly, and you need to really monitor this closely. You can't leave this for any length of time. Like even when I go in the house with salt and pepper or something, you know, when I come back out, you know, it needs more fuel. So it's one of those things with a rocket stove. It's pretty good otherwise. I got the bacon done. Here's the bacon. It's all done. This handle here I have to keep folded in or else the whole thing will tip over. I think I got this pan when I was in the Boy Scouts or something. I don't think it's military. I don't recall where I got it, but I've had it for a very long time. Still works pretty good. Don't use it much. Okay, now it's frying again real good. Yeah, look at that fire there. Okay. Yeah, that's the way I like my bacon, is real crisp like that. Okay. See, I think that's clean enough. Oh yeah, nice and crisp. Nice and crisp. Now I'm going to put the eggs in it with all this grease. Then I'll pour the grease off after I'm done. Oh, eggshell in it. There we go. Okay, there's my eggs. Fire's going well. So I'm cooking it in all this grease, and I'll pour the grease out after I'm done with the eggs here. I really butchered these eggs. That's my fault, not the stove's fault. Get rid of a little grease here. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh man, really good. So much better than indoor cooking.